Hello dear friends, welcome again to my channel Geotechnical Engineering Consultancy Tips. This is the 20th lecture of my series. Actually it is the 17th, but it is the 20th in the series. This is about the three main basic criteria and requirements of any safe foundations. What is the number one? Is the location and the depth of the foundation for any kind of civil engineering structure. It should be such that it is not affected by lateral expulsion of soil from beneath the foundation adjacent to the foundations, which I have just discussed in one of my previous lectures, which is usually known as the bulging of foundation when any shear failure occurs. That is, our foundation should be safe from shear failure, as well as it should be safe to counter any seasonal volumetric changes, that is any differential settlement or any angular distortion of the structure which may occur due to seasonal moisture variations beneath the soil or in freezing or thawing conditions. Freezing or thawing conditions. THAWING. And as well as our foundation should be built in such a kind that due to the presence of any adjoining structures or any work going on in the near vicinity or adjacent to the site, our foundations are not at all affected. That is, we should select the location and the depth of the foundation in such a way that our foundations are safe from all these 4 factors which I have discussed with you just now. Now the number 2 is the bearing capacity or the shear criteria. That is, your foundation should be safe from shear failure. That is, it should be safe against shear failure or soil rupture, for which we usually take an adequate factor of safety ranging from 2.5 to 4, which I have already discussed in one of my previous lectures. That is, when we calculate net safe bearing capacity, applying the factor of safety on the ultimate bearing capacity, we get a certain value of the bearing capacity, which suggests that our concerning foundation is safe from shear criteria. Now the third last criteria is that any given foundation should be safe as per the settlement criteria. That is, Indian standard codes have defined certain permissible total settlement limits for different kind of structures, which I have already discussed in one of my previous lectures, which suggests about the total settlement limit, differential settlement limit and angular distortion limit for the respective structures. So what need to be seen is that any given foundation should be safe from shear criteria as well as settlement criteria. That is, to conclude, we can say that our foundation should not fail in shear as well as it should be safe for the given permissible settlement criteria, so that its aesthetic beauty and its purpose is not dissolved. That is, for whatsoever purpose it is being built for next 50 or 100 years, it remains safe and stable lying. Now, in the last, what I would like to say is all these 3 factors which I have discussed with you all are independent of one another. That is what I wish to say and tell you all about for this very topic in this lecture of mine. Keep on subscribing to my channel. Thank you.